Hello students, welcome to economics classes. Dear students, we have finished the factors affecting demand, or in that case we have seen demand was a function of PN, PR, Y, T, E, M. PN stands for price of commodity, PR price of related goods, Y income of consumer, T tastes and preferences, E expectations, and M miscellaneous. So these were the factors affecting demand. Now today we have to discuss determinants of market demand. Apart from individual market demand, now we will add some other factors, that is determinants of market demand. Market demand is influenced by all the factors affecting individual demand for a commodity, what we have discussed. In addition, it is also affected by the following factors: size and composition of population. Market demand for a commodity is affected by size of population in the country. Increase in population raises the market demand, while decrease in population reduces the market demand. अब बेटा क्या हो गया, जो डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड एरिया है वहाँ पे मार्केट डिमांड ज़्यादा होगी, और जो स्पार्सली पॉपुलेटेड एरिया है वहाँ पे मार्केट डिमांड कम होगी. Composition of population, ratio of males, females, children and number of old people in the population also affect the demand for a commodity. For example, if a market has a large proportion of women, then there will be more demand for articles of their use such as lipstick and sarees etc., which is very common and you might have understood. Second, season and weather. The seasonal and weather conditions also affect the market demand for a commodity. For example, during winters, demand for woolen clothes and jackets increases, whereas market demand for raincoat and umbrellas increases during the rainy season. Dear students, this all we have discussed under the head miscellaneous in individual market demand. Third, distribution of income. If income in the country is equitably distributed, then market demand for commodities will be more. However, if the income distribution is uneven का मतलब जहाँ पे रिच ज़्यादा है पुअर कम है, पुअर ज़्यादा है रिच कम है, that is people are either very rich or very poor, then market demand will remain at lower level. So dear students, we have discussed the factors affecting individual demand, and if I add size and composition of population, season and weather, distribution of income, then it also affects the market demand. Apart from this, dear students, today we will discuss one more important point, that is demand schedule. अब बेटा शेड्यूल का मतलब क्या हो गया, टेबुलर प्रेजेंटेशन, यानी आप टेबल बना के डिमांड को प्रूव कर रहे हो. So demand schedule is a tabular statement showing various quantities of a commodity being demanded at various level of price during a given period of time. It shows the relationship between price of commodity and its quantity demanded, which we have seen in the law of demand or factors affecting price of a commodity. Now dear students, a demand schedule are of two types: individual demand schedule, market demand schedule. तो बेटा हमने देखा था individual demand, factors affecting individual demand, factors affecting market demand. अब individual demand schedule. Individual demand schedule refers to tabular statement showing various quantities of a commodity that a consumer is willing to buy at a various level of price during a given period of time. That means बेटा एक पर्टिकुलर प्राइस पे हम हर एक इंडिविजुअल की अलग अलग डिमांड को डिनोट करते हैं. तो अगर आप शेड्यूल देखो, पहले प्राइस ज़्यादा, प्राइस 5 थी, वी वेर परचेजिंग 1 यूनिट्स, प्राइस कम होगी 2 यूनिट्स, 3, 4, 2, 1. That means as price decreases, demand has increased. That means individual demand has increased. And now dear students, we have market demand schedule. Market demand schedule refers to tabular statement showing various quantities of a commodity that all the consumers. अब बेटा यहाँ all the consumers है, और यहाँ पे मगर अ कंज्यूमर लगा दूं तो वो बन जाता था इंडिविजुअल मार्केट से. ऑल द कंज्यूमर्स are willing to buy at various level of price during a given period of time. अब बेटा अगर आपसे इंडिविजुअल डिमांड शेड्यूल और मार्केट डिमांड शेड्यूल की डेफिनेशन पूछता है तो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज सेम. ओनली थिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू चेंज हियर all the consumers in case of market demand schedule, a consumer in case of individual demand schedule. अब बेटा देखो प्राइस 5 4 3 2 1, ए की डिमांड 1, बी की डिमांड 2. प्राइस कम हो गई, ए की डिमांड बढ़ गई, बी की डिमांड ऑल्सो बढ़ गई. एज प्राइस डिक्रीजेज तो ए की डिमांड भी बढ़ गई, बी की डिमांड भी बढ़ गई. ये बेटा इंडिविजुअल डिमांड था. अब अगर मुझे इसका मार्केट डिमांड में ऐड करना है तो ये बेटा डी ए प्लस डी बी, यानी द सम ऑफ हाउस होल्ड ए प्लस सम ऑफ हाउस होल्ड बी. 1 + 2 3, 2 + 3 5, 3 + 4 7, 4 + 5 9, 5 + 6 11. So dear students, today we have discussed the factors affecting market demand and individual demand schedule and market demand schedule. So you just note down in your register. That's all for today. Thank you.